Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got 2 new collections this week and I'm super excited about them. I decided to do florals, which is my favorite thing to do, and I felt like it had been a while. Okay, probably not that long, but it had been like a week or 2 since I had done a floral kit, so I decided to do 2 this week. So I've got the Succulent collection and then I've got Orange Blossom. And for Succulent, I have got a couple of the little extras that I had done for the 4th of July kit. I have my lights in here turned down really low, and I think it looks a bit dark, but that's the best way to see the foil, so I'm going to leave them that way. So for the Succulent collection, like I said, I've got some of these add-on sheets, and I only did these because I thought that it was a really, really pretty color combo, even if you're not using the kit. So I've got the washi strips to start with. I love these. I think these work so nicely in the B6. So I've got those for the Succulent collection. Also the rose corner flags, the bow flags, and then the star-topped flags. So all of those will be available. I do also have the date cover add-on for this kit, as well as the foiled glitter headers. Succulent is rose gold, by the way. So I've got those as well, and I'm super excited to show you guys this kit. So I'm going to start with the deluxe kit. So here are your full boxes. I am obsessed with this kit, and I'm just going to try to get the foil as best as possible. So your quote box says, "Make today beautiful," and then you have these just gorgeous succulents and just roses, a ton of florals, geometric pattern down here in the bottom, and I'm just so in love. So this is a very soft kit. So those are your full boxes. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. So for your second sheet, you have your weekend banner. I love this weekend banner. Your flags, your date dots, weekly trackers, bill due, icons, script icons, and your movie marquee. Your third sheet has your appointment labels, your quarter boxes, your marquees, and your half boxes. Fourth sheet has your little things and your headers, as well as these really cute little, kind of like quarter boxes, I guess, up at the top. Your fifth sheet has your ombre heart checklist, your flags, and your daily trackers. So for both of these kits, I did do some detail in the ombre heart checklist. I think this is just absolutely stunning, so I wanted to go ahead and include that. And also, I did remove the top heart from these checklists since that was going to be in the way. And then here is your last sheet. So this is your bottom washi, your date covers, and your regular washi. And I'm just obsessed. I am so in love with this kit. I think I may use the B6 kit for my rewind spread this week. So that was the deluxe kit. We do also have the mini kit. So same thing, you get your full boxes. Your second sheet has your weekend banner, flags, daily tracker, weekly trackers, bill due, heart checklist, icons, and then your script icons and your movie marquee. Third sheet has those same labels at the top. You have your glitter quarter boxes, little things, and headers. And then your last sheet has that same bottom washi. You've got some half boxes and some marquees, and then your regular washi as well. And then we will also have that available in the B6 kit. So here are the B6 full boxes. So these are different. They're always going to be different because I have less of them than the deluxe kit. You don't have that double box with that geometric pattern at the bottom and the florals that are like kind of coming down. You have your 3 glitter quarter boxes down here at the bottom. These boxes are shorter. They are the size of the Erin Condren horizontal boxes. Second sheet has your appointment labels, your marquees, and your half boxes. Third sheet has those little, I need to figure out a name for these. They're kind of like an appointment label. You've got a row of glitter headers, a row of various headers, a weekly tracker, daily tracker, some flags, some 3-heart checklist, and then your little things down at the bottom. And then your fourth sheet has your scripts, your icons, and then your date covers, as well as your washi strips, which are foiled. So I am totally in love with that kit. The second collection that I did is the Orange Blossom collection, and I'm totally in love with this one as well, but the color scheme I didn't think for the smaller foiled functional items. I didn't think it was something that would go with a lot of things, so I didn't do the matching items for this one. Here are your date cover add-ons as well as your foiled glitter headers. Glitter headers are available as foiled or regular, and this kit is gold foil. So here are your full boxes. I love this so much, and I love the colors. I don't feel like I ever really do anything with this color scheme. So this is Orange Blossom, and again, gold foiling. I didn't do a quote box on this one because I felt like there was already a lot going on. I didn't want to add a quote to that. So those are your full boxes. Your second sheet, I'm not going to go through all of these in detail again, but here is your weekend banner. I love how that weekend banner turned out as well. Your date dots, your icons. Here are your half boxes, quarter boxes, little things, and headers. Ombre heart checklist, which again, I did that detail up at the top that has the floral, which I think is so, so pretty. And then here is your bottom washi, which again, I'm in love with, and your date covers and your regular washi. So that was the deluxe kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the mini kit now. So you get the same sheet of full boxes. Second sheet has your, I guess I could kind of lay all these out. Heart checklist. Functional sheet, you have your headers, little things, and then this is the bottom washi for the mini kit. And then I also did this one in a B6 kit. So here are your full boxes for your B6 kit. This one I did do the double box in. And then you've got your second sheet, which is your half boxes, quarter boxes, your appointment labels, and then your third sheet, which is your glitter headers, regular headers, little things, some functional items, and then the last sheet has your foiled bottom washi, date covers. You've also got the glitter washi as well, and then these scripts as well as your icons. So that is this week's new releases. They will be pre-sales. They will be available Friday at noon Eastern Standard Time until Sunday at, I don't want to say because I'm going to be leaving Sunday night to go to the beach. We have been really quick on pre-sales lately, but these may take the full 2 to 3 week processing time. It just kind of depends. Mom has been in here helping me and has been incredibly helpful. Poolside and Tropical are going to start shipping tomorrow, which gives us like a 5-day processing time on those pre-sales. Also, the PR codes are gone. If you want to read about that, you can read on Instagram or the Facebook group. They've just been switched over. And also, if you're not a member of the Facebook group, tomorrow will be the beginning of the Facebook group coupon. So if that's something you'd like, I do keep that linked down below. But let me know how you guys like these in the comments, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.